Lee is a street-style artist. Abstract is his passion. Lee has his own workplace, but he wants to upgrade to a standing desk to help his back and shoulders. The all-white smart desk is his choice. Lee knows he can make the desk something uniquely his own. Yes, Lee absolutely can.
Damn, son, where'd you find that?
We love to see a one-of-a-kind desk setup. At Autonomous, we believe different people deserve a different desk setup. A desk setup can tell your story. A desk setup can be your pride. We make a desk. You make a work of art.